Nothing. Nothing from you. I don't want anything from you.
Go. Shove off.
Hi everyone and welcome back to day 5 of our Pawsitive travel series, and this week we are going to Universal Studios Japan. It was really fun. We'll share some tips and tricks along the way, so I hope you enjoy the video.
Love.
Tip number 1. Always book your tickets online. No, be it your fast pass or your regular pass, please just buy it all online because you don't want to start your day queuing up, and even on weekdays, Universal Studios Osaka can be really crowded.
Oh my god, Cookie Monster, I love you.
Tip number 2, if you are an anime lover, please go and do your research on what collabs are going on because you might want to go and check the limited edition merch that's available.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh my god, finally back here. Finally back here.
So for people who don't know, actually Universal Osaka has areas that are timed entries. So together with a fast pass, you can actually reserve your fast pass as well as a time entry. This would save a lot of queuing for tickets and a lot of queuing time for the rides. So please get those as well. Another thing to note is that they are really strict on the timing, so please meet all your timings when you get there, because if you are past your timing, they will not let you in. They are very strict on that. So this place is actually Hogsmeade Village in the Harry Potter time entry area. You get to see Honeydukes, the Hogshead Tavern, Ollivanders, even though that's not really in Hogsmeade but is in Diagon Alley. But you know, you get my drift. You get to see a lot of the Harry Potter buildings and everything, including the castle, which is like the main attraction of the entire place, and it's also the location of one of the fast pass rides that you will get if you're purchasing the fast pass for this area. Off we go for our first ride of the day. One more reason to get the express pass is that in order to skip the queue, you actually go through another area that you can see a lot of special exhibits. It was a bit dark, so I won't include the footage here. Just see these two, and now we're off to shopping.
I don't know if I want to buy anything. I don't know if I want to buy anything. Plate is quite nice eh. The plate is really quite nice eh. I want to get the plate. Oh, I want to get the plate. Nice right? This one is nicer than the butterbeer mugs that we have. The free one. Eh no, it's not free, you have to pay for that shit. But this is nice leh.
And with my plate in tow, we are now heading off to lunch. We are going to the Hogshead Tavern for lunch. The food there was really good, surprisingly, because normally theme park food isn't very good, but we enjoyed almost everything that we ate over there.
I don't remember what's my room.
Sorry, I think I'm gonna get a fish and chips.
It looks so good, guys. Yeah. I will careful not to get everything.
So, tip number 4. It's not a free wand, and how to get chosen for this wand show at Ollivanders. So basically they would choose people mostly that bought costumes or small kids. So if you have a small kid, please push them up to the front if you really want to get the wand. Also, just a fair warning, it's not a free wand, so you will have to pay for it after.
Young wizard, I sense you are next to be chosen.
These are some of the few ones that he might pick for you, and it's about 5,000 yen per won after the show.
Why is the sky so freaking blue? But why is it raining?
And tip number 5, please bring ponchos or at least an umbrella. In all fairness, it really was raining quite heavily, and that's why we whipped out our ponchos. I mean, this is not what we would have opted to wear and look like a bunch of cultists. No. Praise the Sun Lord! My god, where did that come from? I swear we are not cultists. Guys, you have to... So a lot of the audio will be actually muted from here on out because they are actually blaring the Super Mario theme song throughout the entire theme park, and I'll get copyright strike. So yes, you have to listen to my voice now. To be fair, Super Mario World was everything we wished for and more, so that brings me to tip number 6. Please put it at the start of your itinerary instead of us where we had it after Harry Potter, because you need a lot more energy over here and you need a lot more time over here. In relation, tip number 7 is actually to get your power bands from inside the place instead of outside at the carts, because you skip the long queue. So tip number 8 is actually you have to get your power band and go to all the question mark blocks and punch them before you get on this ride, because you need it to defeat Bowser. Actually rushing for our time entry, so we couldn't get the power band in time to go and collect points.
This is so cool.
From here on out, this is actually everything that you can see when you get the express pass and go down the express lane. Everything is so smooth sailing, and I would escape the 3-hour queue that was actually at the normal lane. So really, please get your express pass. It's just really important. If you don't want to spend 12 hours queuing that day, please just get the express pass.
How does it go on?
Oh! So as expected, the ride was really good, and it's something that you must ride when you go to the Universal Studios Japan, because it's so unlike any other ride that I've ever ridden before. And now off to shopping again, and this store I really got way more than I got at Harry Potter. Really, all the merch at this store was really so cute. I wanted everything. But these make good souvenirs, and also they are good to share around the office. So if you're looking for some souvenirs for your colleagues, this would be great for them. And we finally got our power band. So it slaps on your wrist like that. Be careful, because it actually takes quite a lot of force to slap it. I caused myself a bruise while doing that, so please don't do it. We also had to get the star popcorn bucket and the popcorn. It was so good, and I love the popcorn bucket. If you haven't noticed, the invisible star is actually my favorite character. And here we see hungry predators eating the heart of a dying star. Yum. Tip number 9 is actually to pre-book the restaurant at Super Mario World. You can do it on their website, because we couldn't get in.
That?
What? You don't believe me?
Last but not least, tip number 10 is to download the Super Mario World app beforehand, because you can see all the secret locations and get the most points. Yep.
It's just the animation, baby. No, it's just the animation. She can keep doing this until Anda, go, let's go. We got the power up, babe. I heard the power up sound.
All in all, we really love Super Mario World and we'll definitely be back. We didn't get to sit on the Yoshi ride, we didn't get to do a lot of things, and we didn't get to go to the cafe. So we are definitely putting this on our next trip to Osaka. So our merry band of friends actually decided to go on this ride. This terror of a ride. You can hear everybody screaming already. Pawsitive Papa and I just stayed down and chose not to put our guts out that day. Look at the cute dinos! They're so adorable. I love dinosaurs. But yeah, you saw that, right? Even with the fast pass that we had, we only managed to go on like 3 rides. Pawsitive Papa and I only managed to go on 2 rides. So please get the fast pass. Without it, I think we will have only gone on 1 ride. And now after the long day, we treated ourselves to some nice dinner. Couscous! Hungry? I'm hungry. Thank you all so much for watching the video up to this point, and I really hope that the tips and tricks were helpful to you and will help you maximize your time at Universal Studios. You really don't want to spend your time queuing, so I hope they were helpful. Also, do help to like, comment and subscribe. Do you enjoy this video? I hope to see you in the next video next week. Do also check out our other socials that are linked in the description below, and also our Shopify store which has our new launch. If you want to see me embarrass myself a bit more, you can stay to the end of this video. If not, thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye!
Don't make me laugh.